We are going to make a banana fritter or turon. I'm going to peel the banana and cut this into half and set it aside. I also cut the jackfruit or langka. And then when I wrap this in a lumpia wrapper, I'm gonna add this jackfruit together with the sugar. We will need lumpia wrapper. And then we will put a little of sugar, just a little, because we don't want to be too much sweet. I will add the langka here and I will wrap it. I will set this aside, and then before I fry, I'm gonna dip this into honey. I'll just put it like that. And now we're going to fry our banana fritter or turon, but before that, before I put this into a pan, I'm gonna dip it into honey like this. The reason why I dip this into a honey, because so that the outside is crispy and the inside is soft. And now this is already cooked. You can put it in the strainer so that the extra oil will be removed. This is the finished product of my turon or banana fritter. Until next video, bye!